Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and we are making another slime video. We are in Natalie's kitchen. So we are going to make a clear slime using these markers to dye them.
So we're going to do swirls or designs or something. So we have our clear glue and our activator.
So our activator is tied, and let's get started.
So I'm calling the clear glue first. I can open it. So I'm only using a little bit. Like that much. Same with her, so we don't use all of it. Now, we had to test to see if it works, so look, it works. Now, we know that that works.
Kind of.
Yeah, probably. So I'm using it first.
That should be enough for now.
So it's forming, but I think I'm going to need more.
I think I added enough. Yeah, mine's starting to form too. Yep, I need more. Hey guys, guess what? Today's my birthday.
So, and my cousin's birthday, and guess what? Both their moms have the same birthdays too. So I'm going to need mine.
Yeah, me too. Well, feels weird.
I think you may have added too much activator.
Or maybe too less.
There.
Maybe I need more.
Here, wait. No, you don't need more.
I'll just stir my right one.
You have to knead it, see? You added too much activator, that's why. Now knead it, and
Oh, yep, now it's starting to form. So guys, we thought these were going to turn out clear, but I guess they're going to turn out white.
yes. They're kind of clear, like when you go like this. They're kind of clear, but well, they ended up being kind of whitish. I do not know why.
Can I start over?
No. So, my son was walking out here. You want me to need yours?
Yes, please.
Can you get me a paper towel up there?
Yep.
I'm gonna get some glue, more glue for my container since yours is not working easy out.
First, let me do my hands. Guys, I really hope mine turns out like that one. I'll just leave it back there.
Wait, I need it. Or are you
I'll
getting?
get you another one. Here.
So it's working out more.
Just set it over there.
So I need it now. After I need slime, actually. I'm gonna put that over there. So
I'm gonna get my colors ready if that works out.
I'm getting
Turns
it.
into that one. How many squirts did you do?
Just a few, like 5. Just rip it if you want. See, I got hers to work out, kind of.
It's in like a plastic thingy. See?
So clean. So mine is good. It's clear. It's beautiful, magnificent, clear. Abby. No, that's the one is good. The one that you just dropped. It's kind of like metallic-y. It's beautiful.
Mine's so small.
Mine's kind of small. So I call this blue and pink one. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do a blue and a purple. So I'm gonna move my container out of the way. Hopefully this does not dye our hands.
It's markers.
blue's so pretty.
But just be careful because they're tipping. So mine's going in.
You excited for 4th of July?
Yeah.
What are you done?
Are you guys excited for 4th of July?
Comment down below.
Yes. And also, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment down below if you think we should do another video with markers like this. I may need more.
I need more purple.
Yeah. Mine's not. It's kind of turning out. It's still like, you can barely see the colors.
Mine's so small. Mine's just turning blue.
So boop, 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 boop,
This time I'm going to turn mine blue.
So the next video we are going to do is we are going to be doing a coloring challenge with a pencil and markers, like these markers, probably. So
Mine's getting stretchier. So first I'm going to finish dyeing, well, yeah, kind of dyeing my slime blue. And right now I'm just going to add more purple and see how it turns out.
I'm adding your blue because my blue is really light.
I'm going to need a lot of purple. If I have to, I might add a little pink. Oh, that didn't work.
So hers is like bluish, mine's like still turning out.
I need the pink. Guys, mine's still blue.
So mine's kind of going. That's good.
I'm adding some pink. I might add some red. Hopefully I don't have to.
Mine's turning blue. A pretty metallic blue. I want a few yours. I don't know what yours feels like.
Mine's super stretchy.
Mine's- So is mine. Mine doesn't even fit on the screen. It's so stretchy.
Neither does mine.
So I'm gonna add some purple.
Oh, that's super poppy. I think I'm gonna need to add some dark red to make it.
So I add some purple. I'm adding some glitter to mine.
Oh, that's a good
Make
idea.
it like a galaxy color, but I need it more like blue, purple, galaxy. So I should.
I like mine.
Yeah.
Just a little bit more. Guys, I added a little bit of red to mine.
Mom is going perfectly. In the beginning, it wasn't making that much color, but now it's being more good to be honest.
But yeah, mine's starting to become metallic.
Mine just farted. So here's that. I'm gonna need more purple.
I need more purple too. You know what, guys? Mine just might turn out to be blue. Maybe not purple.
Do you want it to be purple?
Yeah.
Well, why didn't you just purple?
I kind of wanted it to be a blue purple.
Like periwinkle?
Kind of.
Mine's kind of periwinkle-ish.
Guys, I'm adding a lot of purple.
So it's working out here. I'm adding like pink strip on the bobs.
Stripe on the bobs.
So someone snacked, so we had to go answer. Okay, so sorry for the interruption there.
One of Natalie's brother's friends knocked on the door and see if they could play, but they both said no. I think I'm gonna add some dark red. Wait, nope, that's black.
That's brown.
It's like I'm adding a lot of red.
Dude, I think yours is a pretty color. I'm adding red.
Might take me a little bit.
It's like so clicky. Blue straps.
Even with the markers.
You done with your red there?
Yeah, I might need more.
I don't know if you'll need more.
Yeah, I don't think so. Okay.
So mine has become excellent. Dots. What? I can say weird things too. So you can kind of see some red in there.
Mine's kind of turning purple. Some nerds dropped.
Abby! So mine's turning the color I want it.
So is mine. Mine's turning purple. And
Mine's like
more red.
No, you don't. You have to mix it in more. Yours is turning purple.
Not really.
Well, what? Yours is not good at. Well, it's not that stretchy.
Yes, it is.
Not compared to mine. Feel mine. I'll play with yours. Yeah. That's where you're going. Mine's stretchier. There's that. We're hurting the slimes. I don't know if it really hurts them, but
It's slime. It doesn't have feelings.
it could maybe.
Now I need more red.
No, you don't. Does she need more red? Oh yeah, they can't talk. Well, they can, just not like
Us on the video.
we can't hear what they're saying. Yours looks really good. I would like yours color. Mine is like small slimes. These. I have an idea. Dude, what's up with you in red?
I want to make it a dark purple.
It is dark purple.
Well, like a dark purple. Like almost black.
Add some brown.
No. Not like totally black.
I know, add some brown.
After I mix these in.
I'm adding 1 drop of brown. It's gonna like, or a little bit more. Add 4 brown to make it darker, not ugly.
Okay, let's try this again.
So mine's really clicky.
Let's try mine. A little bit. If I had a bigger slime, mine would be like yours, and if I didn't,
It's like the same. But yours has a lot of like, you would have a bigger slime, but yours has gooey.
yes, it's getting more slime. But then I have to dye it again.
Abby, it looks good how it is right now. What did you do to your poor little slime? Guys, it's really like watery, so I need
Okay,
paper.
stretchier. There's one right next to it.
So if you dab it, it makes it less watery. Then you have to keep moving it.
Guys, I'm gonna. Hey, keep your slime on your own side.
So it's kind of working out. I think I need more of my glue. Wait, maybe not. I don't know.
Okay, let's mix this brown and hopefully it doesn't make it look ugly.
Wait,
Okay.
you have more slime there. I'm using this activator.
You don't even need any more activator.
I know, but now my slime is extra good. I need more like,
So guys, we added more of that goopy stuff over there in the container.
I want one dark. It's not becoming dark. I like yours the color it is. Yours is pretty. I need more of mine blue.
Like, add more of the dark blue.
That's what I'm trying to do, girl.
Like a lot. I wish they made white markers.
They may, I don't know.
We just don't have them in our state. country.
We may.
Yeah, we just don't know about that.
There's happy and a lot of blue. Dude!
I made a snowflake. So guys, I added some brown to it to make it more dark. But it actually looks red right now.
Mine's turning out to be more darker. Like I want it. Just gonna do this for a couple hours.
Maybe a couple minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Another
we got
map.
pause, you guys.
So
Okay.
sorry about the interruption. Another of my friends knots. And like we're in the middle of the video. Bye, boys. I couldn't say it.
You almost said boxes.
Boxes. After I add more blue, I'm adding a black.
Oh, good idea.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yours is gonna make yours like more blackish. Mine's like needs to be more bluish. Cause mine's like a light blue. Like I want it to be this color blue. It's not close yet.
Black it didn't even like do anything.
There, I added more block. Sounds like I'm saying block and I'm saying black. So,
I'm gonna add more black.
so we are going to do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. So I finally got my Daka.
Mine too. So
So-
mine's better, finally.
So I have 2 glitters to add.
I'm gonna add 2 glitters too.
So
I'm
I
gonna
have
add this
that.
aqua color and this bright blue color. So I'm gonna add the one that's open.
So look at guys, I like have it in. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
I think making slime with markers was really fun.
Oh, guys, do you see that?